Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can automate pull Shopify order data directly into Google Sheets. And if you are running a Shopify store, this can be hug time saver and you will get all your key of order data and product data in your Google Sheets and the real-time updates using the app scripts, and we can connect in the backend the Shopify app script. As you can see here in the Google Sheet populate with all latest order from the Shopify store. It's including detail, order ID, subtotal, order dates, payment status, even the customer name. They fetch automatically using the Shopify APIs. If you can see in the backends, the app script, we can change the dates, like we can start from like 19 and run from the 3 days, and now I can run this code. Now you see the data will be automatically capturing. You see all of the field is automatically come up. As you can see in this Google Sheets, the populate with all the latest order from the Shopify stores. All this data is pulled from the Shopify in the real time using the script Wilpers. No need to manually input anything. It updates automatically on your run daily, weekly, however you can prefer the time basis, and you can run these things. Using this you can also get like your product data and your sales data, like your daily sales. Now you can see they have orders ID, orders number, product title, variants, even you can get the SKUs and quantity, discounted amounts, and you can get the total. And if you can see the right side, this is the store location. You can get the stocks, like how much stock you have in this location and whatever you have. You can get also the product information like a product, SKUs and tags and lot of the things. If you are interested in having in this kind of the automation of the Shopify store, contact me. I will set up for you. Just reach out to me on the WhatsApp. Detail in the video description below. I will make sure everything is run smoothly and keep up to date. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like if you found this useful, and subscribe for more time saving tips like this one. Reach out if you are ready to automate your Shopify store data, make your workflow more efficient. See you in the next video. Thank you.